Sun. Sun. We have here the globe. Factories. Trees remains, only few trees remains because most of the forest and other agricultural lands were converted into factories or industrial lands or housing projects. You have here the atmosphere where air is present air. You have the air there. Now because of the factories and automobiles or vehicles, factories releases carbon dioxide and other gases. And this will be released in the atmosphere. And the plants. These plants uses carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Now, what will happen if only few plants remains? What will happen to the carbon dioxide? No. If only few plants remains, gamay ra sad ang ilang magamit na carbon dioxide. Therefore, if there are many factories than the trees, produce pa siya og daghang carbon dioxide. In that case, carbon dioxide serves as blanket in the atmosphere. Now, here comes the sun. Okay, daghan na kay carbon dioxide because only few are used for photosynthesis by plants. Now, here comes the sun. The sun's rays hit the surface of the earth. As it hits the surface of the earth, mo bounce back na siya outside the atmosphere. If that is the case of the sunlight, there is no global warming. However, global warming takes place in the sense that kung there are too many carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the sunlight could not escape outside the atmosphere. Instead, it is being absorbed by carbon dioxide that accumulates in the atmosphere. Therefore, it cannot bounce back outside the atmosphere. In that case, that's the time na mag-start na o create diri o kainit. Nag-start na siya kainit. And if there comes another light and ma-trap siya sa carbon dioxide, cannot go out the atmosphere, another heat. So, kung daghan kayong carbon dioxide ha, and there are only few trees, that's the time na natagitawag og the globe starts to warm. If that's the case, natagitawag og global warming. So, nakasabot na humangan, ganun na global warming. Na global warming because sunlight cannot go back out the atmosphere after it hits the surface of the earth. It is trapped by carbon dioxide. So in other words, si carbon dioxide ang agi nga naing global warming. Now, kinsa nag-produce ni carbon dioxide? The factories. Kinsa nag-produce sa factories? Ang tao. So, akong sala, atong datong sala. Ay, uy! Nagsimula gina sa tuwa. Okay, aside sa factories, si Leo for example, nag-gaog diri, of course, carbon dioxide. Dahil wala sila tulong kahoy, namutulong siya kahoy na carbon dioxide. Akong sala. Ay, mo atong sala, kaya kami nag-gaog.